Welcome back to new video on DA Decor channel. Today in this video I will show you the modern wall shelves design ideas 2025. A wall shelf is a flat horizontal platform often made of wood that is attached to a wall to provide storage or display space. They are versatile fixtures used in various rooms to organize items, showcase decorative pieces, or add a touch of style to a space. They can be used to showcase items like picture frames, plants, or collectible, adding a personalized touch to a room. Wall shelves offer a way to maximize vertical space and store books, decorative items, kitchen essentials, or any other belongings, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Wall shelves themselves can be decorative elements available in various styles, colors, and materials to complement different interior designs. In living room for displaying books, decor, or media component. In bedroom for storing bedside essential book or decorative items. In office for organizing files, books or office supplies. If you want to ask any kind of question, you can do it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home decor content. Thank you all for watching the video until the end.